Hidden in your kitchen is a simple spice that models and beauty experts swear by bay leaf. It's not just for soups and stews, but a powerful, natural secret for achieving glowing skin and silky, beautiful hair. You might be surprised to learn that this humble leaf holds a key to a spa-like experience right in your own home. Let's unlock its incredible beauty benefits. Benefit together. First up, let's talk about skin. A simple bay leaf infusion can work wonders as a natural toner. Its properties help to reduce that unwanted oily shine, tighten up your pores for a smoother appearance, and even diminish the look of fine wrinkles. Here's a super easy hack for you. Just boil a few leaves in water. Let the infusion cool completely, and then pour it into an ice cube tray to freeze. Every morning, take one of these bay leaf ice cubes and gently massage it over your face. The cooling sensation is incredibly refreshing, and the result is fresh, radiant, and beautifully toned skin. It's like a mini Creo facial to start your day. Now, let's move on to achieving that shampoo commercial shine for your hair. Rinsing your hair with bay leaf water can strengthen your roots from the scalp, help reduce dandruff, and add an incredible natural shine that will have everyone asking for your secret. It's so simple to make. Just boil about 10 to 15 leaves in a pot of water, let it cool down, and then use it as a final rinse after you've shampooed your hair. Think of it as a 100% natural, homemade conditioner that leaves your hair feeling strong, healthy, and looking incredibly glossy. Say goodbye to dull hair and hello to a vibrant, shiny mane. Ready to turn your bathroom into a personal sanctuary? For silky soft skin and a totally relaxed mind, try a bay leaf bath. It's the ultimate self-care ritual. Add a generous handful of bay leaves to a pot of boiling water. Let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then strain the fragrant water and pour it directly into your bath. The warm, herbal aroma is known to soothe your mood and calm your mind, melting away the day's stress. At the same time, the natural oils released from the leaves will work to soften your skin, leaving it feeling supple and pampered. Light some candles, put on some calming music, and just soak it all in. And here's one more bonus hack for your beauty arsenal. DIY bay leaf oil. You can easily make this potent oil by simply infusing a few dried bay leaves in a carrier oil like olive or jojoba oil. Just place the leaves in a clean glass jar, cover them with oil, and let it sit in a sunny spot for a couple of weeks to infuse. This simple, homemade oil is fantastic for healing small skin irritations, reducing redness, and it also makes for a wonderfully aromatic massage oil. It's a perfect, multi-purpose addition to your all-natural beauty routine. So, the next time you see that jar of bay leaves in your kitchen cabinet, remember, they're not just for adding flavor to your favorite dishes. They are nature's secret for radiant skin and shiny hair. Go ahead and try these tips for yourself, and let your natural beauty shine through. If you enjoyed these hacks, make sure to follow or subscribe, because in part 2, we'll be exploring how bay leaves can benefit your heart and metabolism. Thanks for watching.